What hurts is knowing that you can love someone, but also knowing that you can't. Because you know that if you give them your love, they wouldn't know what to do with it. They wouldn't know how to appreciate or value what it is that you're giving to them. Loving them would look a lot like hurting you, because they wouldn't know what to do with you. But you know you could love them. You know that you have this love that overflows a cup, but not everyone's cup deserves to be overflown with your love. So walking away and letting go of a potential love, I know it hurts. Because you want to see it through. That's the kind of love that you have. You feel like you could fix things, but some things are not meant for you to fix. It's like looking at a flower and appreciating its beauty, but knowing well enough not to pick that flower. Because if you pick that flower, it becomes your responsibility. Either it's going to wither away or you're going to create something great. But if that flower doesn't want to live and it doesn't want to grow with you, you can't force it. You gotta let it go. So love to look at it, but love enough to let it go.